Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can check your RAM type if it is a DDR or a DDR4 type. So how can you check the RAM type of your Windows if it is DDR or DDR4? So let's go quick into the process. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Chrome. Click on Google Chrome under the best match, maximize this. Here in the search bar, simply type for CPU-Z. It's CPU-Z, hit enter, and you'll find this. Click on that. The first option. It's from cpuid.com. Scroll down and you will find this zip file for 32 or 64-bit version. Click on the zip file. Click on download now. This one, this button. And that will be downloaded, so let's just wait in a while. Click on the folder icon and you will be directed as to where it has been saved. Now it has been saved into the downloads. Right click and then select extract all. You can also change the destination folder, but I'm just going to leave it as it is. Click on extract. Now replace these files because I have already installed this in my Windows. And there you go. We have just extracted a zip file. And here we can find a CPU-Z for 32-bit and a CPU-Z for 64-bit. So depending on the architecture of your Windows, now I am a 64-bit Windows. So I'm going to double click on the 64-bit. And let's just wait for this. And let's close this Windows. Now here, CPU-Z for 64-bit is up. And here you'll find CPU mainboard memory SPD graphics bench about. Click on memory. And now we have here the type. So I am a DDR4. The RAM type of my Windows is DDR4. So that's it. That's how you can easily check the RAM type of your Windows if you are a DDR3 or a DDR4 type. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more free tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.